Are you struggling to write an abstract for your research paper? Don't worry, we've got you covered. An abstract is a concise summary of your research paper, highlighting the key points and findings. It's the first thing readers will see, so it's important to make it engaging and informative. Start by clearly stating the purpose of your research and why it is important. What problem are you trying to solve? What is the significance of your study? Next, provide a brief overview of your methodology. How did you conduct your research? What tools or techniques did you use? Then, summarize your main results and findings. What did you discover through your research? What are the implications of your findings? Finally, conclude your abstract by highlighting the key takeaways of your research. What are the main contributions of your study? What are the implications for future research or practice? Remember to keep your abstract clear, concise, and to the point. Avoid unnecessary jargon and make sure to proofread for any errors. By following these tips, you'll be able to write an effective abstract that will grab the attention of readers and make them want to learn more about your research. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.